Kelvin became an immediate and impactful member of the Nike family, bettering the sport and our Nike brand forever. He taught us that equal parts humility and hard work were the cornerstones of greatness, attributes that he will always be recognized for and remembered by. I'll never forget the chills he gave me as he crossed the finish line, setting the world record at the Chicago Marathon. And I quote, "I have still yet to feel pain in any marathon." To say Kelvin Kiptum was a special athlete would be an understatement. Today is a moment of both remembrance and celebrate, and yet we believe Kelvin would have his eyes set on the future, leading us from the front, which was his signature race tactic. And so there too our focus will remain. Nike will continue to support what we know mattered most to Kelvin, to his family, to the sport of running, to the community that is here today, and to the future generations of athletes who Kelvin's legacy will inspire every day. Once again, our condolences to the family, to the loved ones, the teammates, the friends, and every one of us here today who knew that when we were with Kelvin Kiptum, we were in the presence of greatness. On behalf of Nike, we wish you strength and peace.
And finally,